वहाँ पर जो हीट वेव कंडीशंस जो है वो कंटिन्यू रह सकती हैं।
Delhi's first reported heat stroke case of the season, and the victim wasn't elderly, wasn't chronically ill, and wasn't even outdoors for long. Imagine this: you step outside, travel in the summer heat like any normal day, and suddenly your body temperature shoots past 105 degrees Fahrenheit. Your brain stops responding properly. Your body begins to overheat from the inside, and within hours you're fighting for survival. That is exactly what happened to a 24-year-old student from West Bengal, who has now become Delhi's first reported heat stroke case this season. Doctors at the hospital say he was brought past midnight in critical condition after traveling to Delhi by train. He had hyperpyrexia, an extremely high fever along with altered mental status. And after ruling out other major causes, doctors diagnosed it as heat stroke. Now here's the scary part. This happened at night, because Delhi's heat is no longer ending after sunset. Delhi's heat has always been infamous. In the last 7 days, the city has consistently recorded temperatures above 40 degrees. And according to the IMD, things could get even worse, with temperatures expected to cross 46 degrees amid ongoing heat wave conditions. But now, the problem isn't just the daytime anymore. Even after sunset, Delhi refuses to cool down. The AC is running, the fan is on full speed, windows are open, and yet somehow the room still feels like an oven. So what exactly is happening? Why are Delhi's nights becoming unbearably hot? Well, this is no longer just summer heat. Experts call it the urban heat island effect. Here's the simple version. All day long, Delhi's roads, concrete buildings, flyovers, parking lots, and glass towers absorb massive amount of heat from the sun. And at night, instead of cooling quickly, they slowly release the stored heat back into the air, which means the city stays hot even after dark. That's why many parts of Delhi NCR are now recording unusually high night temperatures during heat waves. And when humidity gets added into the mix, it becomes even worse, because your body never really gets a chance to recover. Earlier, Delhi summers were harsh, but evenings usually brought some relief. Now even the night air feels heavy, sticky, and trapped. Experts say Delhi's weather pattern is slowly changing. More trapped heat, more humidity, and less nighttime cooling. And honestly, we are also making the problem worse. Wonder how? I'll tell you. More concrete, more vehicles, fewer trees, more glass buildings, and thousands of AC units throwing hot air back outside. And here's the irony. Your AC may cool your room, but collectively it heats up the entire city even more. And the most dangerous part? Hot nights can actually be more harmful than hot days. During sleep, the human body needs cooler temperatures to recover from daytime heat stress. But if nighttime temperatures remain high, the body stays under constant pressure, and that can lead to poor sleep, dehydration, fatigue, higher stress on the heart, and increased risk of heat stroke. And this isn't just an outdoor problem anymore. In many densely packed neighborhoods, indoor temperatures also remain unbearably high even at night, especially in homes with poor ventilation, meaning for millions of people, there is literally no escape from the heat. Which is why experts are now warning that extreme nighttime heat is becoming a serious public health issue. And unless cities start focusing on better urban planning, more green cover, and better management, cool nights in Delhi may soon become a past thing. Because now in Delhi, even the nights are sweating. And that's a wrap from my side. Thank you so much for watching, and I am Tamanna Akhtar signing off for Times Now Digital. Until next time, take care and keep watching this space for more such videos.